What you are looking at is simply a dish of water placed above a speaker. The complex geometry you are seeing is not created through computer graphics. What the water is revealing is the shape of the sound itself. Cymatics is the study of sound in the geometric shapes of different frequencies of sound. These shapes resemble all kinds of interesting things. These shapes can be seen by placing sand, water, or oil on top of a flat plate. The sound is played beneath the plate, and these apparatus are simply revealing the invisible shape of the sound. The Sufi mystic Hazrat Inayat Khan said, "Divine sound is the cause of all manifestation. The knower of the mystery of sound knows the mystery of the entire universe." It's interesting that many of the cymatic shapes resemble ancient religious symbols. Almost like the ancients knew that sound has an invisible architecture. For more, look up cymatics. Did you know that sound creates an invisible geometric architecture? This hidden geometry can be made visible by placing water or sand over a speaker. Cymatics is the study of this invisible architecture, the geometric forms that sound creates. The German philosopher Goethe said that music is liquid architecture, and architecture is music frozen in time. Using different materials like water, sand, oil, paint, you can form almost any shape in the universe, including whole galaxies. It's almost as if the entire universe is held together by some invisible song. The Sufi mystic Hazrat Inayat Khan said that the knower of the mystery of sound knows the mystery of the whole universe. For more awesome cymatics videos, look up Journey of Curiosity.